Hi, this is Josh Alexander with your Orange County Housing Market Update for August 14th. Fall is officially here in the housing market. Inventory peaked about 2 weeks ago and has dropped about 1% since then. However, demand has gone up by about 4%, and this is largely due to interest rates continuing to drop from where they were 2 weeks ago at 3.85 to where they are now, hovering right about 3.65. And this is largely due to the additional tariffs that were just placed on China. Once that happened, that's when you saw that rate drop, and they've been pretty steady, hovering around that 3.65 ever since that happened. Now, what does this mean for the market for the next few weeks? It means that we're in a healthy market. So as inventory starts to decrease, buyers usually start to exit the market as well. But because of the interest rates, it's keeping those buyers in the market, which is making sellers stay on the market a little bit longer because they are still getting showings and they are still getting more interest than they usually would this time of year. So overall, again, we're going to be in a balanced market, which is what I said about 2 weeks ago, and we're looking to stay that way for the foreseeable future. So I don't see anything happening over the next month, 2, or even 3 months that is really going to change that. Inventory levels will drop, but buyer levels will also be dropping at about the same rate for the rest of the year, making it a healthy market where it doesn't really favor the buyer or the seller during a transaction, which means that buyers aren't going to have to deal with 5 to 10 offers per house like they used to 2 or 3 years ago. But at the same time, sellers aren't going to be able to get away with pricing their houses above market value. So if you're a seller, you need to make sure that you're doing your research, looking at the comps, and making sure that you're pricing it basically off the last sale and nothing higher. In terms of buyers, take advantage of the interest rates. If this trade issue gets resolved with China tomorrow, interest rates are going to bounce up. Now, obviously, it doesn't look like that's going to happen, but that's the thing with interest rates is you don't know where they're going, so you want to make sure you take advantage of them when they are at 3-year lows like they are right now. If you are thinking of buying or selling a home in the near future and want some more information and more details about what the market is doing and how it's going to affect you personally, or if you just want some general information on what it takes to buy or sell a home in today's market, please feel free to contact me by text, phone, or email. All my information is below or in my profile. Thanks.